One of the things that you can do with remote computers is you can reboot them out as well, as long as they have given you permission for it. So to do that, I can actually go around over here onto, let's say, for example, my devices. I already have my contacts, so let's just go ahead and connect out onto a remote desktop. So if I were to go ahead and connect, then the other user will have to accept it out so that you have access to their computer. So the other user have accepted, and this is what you have. So now in order to go ahead and reboot out their computer, all you need to do is go around over here on the top. Click on reboot and it says remote reboot. So the system is going to reboot, and if you want to prevent the computer from rebooting, it says click cancel and it will reboot out in 80 seconds. As you can see right here, there's the countdown. But if you want it to reboot now, you can go ahead and click on reboot, and the computer of the remote, as you can see right here, will simply restart right here, just like this. And as it reboots, what happens is that they will need to accept the connection again, and then you'll be able to go ahead and access it out. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you can wait for the partner right here, just like this, and their computer will restart out. And you can see that the remote session has closed now. So now you need to go, and now their remote computer has been rebooted. And once they reboot, you'll be able to see them online as well. Or you can even go ahead right here and then enter out the ID right here and access out their computer again. So that is how you can go ahead and then use the remote reboot option inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.